Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and today we'll be making oat blueberry cake. Let's check out all the ingredients that we need and it's a very simple recipe. I hope you like it. It's a very easy recipe. All we need is 2 cups of oats flour, half cup of oats, it can be rolled or instant any oats you have, 1 cup of brown sugar, you can also use honey, 1 cup of yogurt, you can also use Greek yogurt if you want, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup blueberries and 1/4 cup olive oil. You can also use butter if you want. The first step is to mix oil or butter, whatever you are using, with the brown sugar. To this add eggs. Everything is mixed together well, it's light and fluffy. Now to this add the yogurt, vanilla essence and mix it again. Now our wet ingredients are ready. Now I will preheat my oven at 180 degrees centigrade, that is 350 degree Fahrenheit. By the time my oven is getting heated, I'll add my dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. I'll add 2 cups of oats flour, half cups of oats, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. I'm using Dr. Oetker's baking powder. You can use any brand you want. Now mix everything together. Now add blueberries and mix everything together again. Now add the batter to a cake tin which is lined by butter paper. Top it up with some seeds or blueberries if you want. Let's bake the cake at 180 degrees centigrade for 40 to 45 minutes in a preheated oven. So by the time our cake is being baked, here are a few tips and tricks for you to bake a perfect cake. The first thing is that make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Your eggs, your butter, everything is at room temperature. I'll be making more such interesting videos with lovely tips and tricks. So if you have any suggestion what should I bake next, leave a comment in the comment section and stay tuned. Let's see our cake is ready or not. Stay tuned. Many more fun videos are coming your way. Bye.